Start off with your name, please.
Andrew.
And you?
Joe.
Okay. What are you guys representing? What are you guys here for today?
We're here representing Ford Motor Company.
Yeah, Ford Motor Company. We have an electromagnetic demonstration here.
What inspired you guys to work in this field, to pursue what you guys are pursuing?
Honestly, I just love the automobile industry. I've always been a big fan of cars. My family's been working for Ford for just over 100 years at this point in different capacities.
Right.
But I just love the level of impact that I can have, and I'm also really curious to see, what types of new vehicles can we produce. So it's super cool being able to work on them here at Ford.
Awesome. And you?
Really similar answer to him. My family's been working here for a pretty long time. Probably not as long as that. That's a long time. Probably like 50 years or so. But what made me kind of choose engineering specifically was growing up, I always liked taking things apart, and I was always really fascinated by electricity. So that's why I chose electrical engineering specifically.
Right. What was my other question? What school did you guys go to continue engineering?
Yeah, so I have my undergraduate degree from U of M Dearborn, a degree in electrical engineering, and then I'm actually currently in a master's degree there for robotics.
Right. And you?
I got my undergrad in electrical engineering from Central Michigan University, and I'm currently working on my master's in electrical engineering from Wayne State University.
What is your favorite part working this field? Because you know how you said you like building cars and things like that, but what's your favorite part when it comes to that?
Honestly, there's a couple. So one of them is just working on really cool products. I really enjoy the vehicles I work on. I get to work on the F-150 series, so I've done everything from next generation design to current electric vehicles. Now I'm working on next gen combustion vehicles, working on the product. The other thing is interfacing with the customer. It was super cool. I have some Ford branded trucks from the company I'll drive. People come up to me and talk about the products and be able to educate people on how do you better utilize our trucks, and then getting feedback on how can we improve them. Just because, I don't know, I think we got a great product, but I always know that it can be better, and connecting with the customer to develop better products is really important.
Awesome. And for you, what's your favorite thing?
My favorite thing? I think that he had a great answer for that. We try to make the best products that we can. I also work on the F-Series, but I'm on the electric side of it. So we're constantly trying to make the best stuff that we can. I really like working at the company. There's a lot of great people there, a lot of very intelligent people there, and they're people that are willing to share that knowledge with you. Nobody's ever upset if you have to ask a question. They're always very willing to help teach you, and everyone's really passionate about what they do too. Everyone's really excited about the products that we put out, and yeah, I think that's what I like doing.
And I think part of it too is finding out why things work, right? People drive cars every single day, but I wanted to know why does my car start in the morning? How come, why does it work if it's negative 40 out or 140, right? I've never gotten in a car and been oh man, I sure hope it's going to turn today. It turns. I guess we've driven very different cars then. But for the most part, it's they work. I'm but how do they work in the rain and the snow and the cold and the hot? So finding out how does the vehicle actually get made has been super cool for me. Awesome. And I guess I need to go find different vehicles to drive to experience them not turn.
Any my old truck that I grew up driving, we go into class and be I hope it starts today.
Awesome. Last question. What do you guys hope for in the future with what you guys are working in and any future projects? What do you guys hope for to accomplish out of everything in, 10, 15, 20 years?
Yeah, honestly, a big thing for me is I'm hoping to generate products that can impact more people. I think right now the cost of automobiles is climbing up a lot quicker than I hope. I'm really hoping that we can find ways to deliver high quality products with the cool technology that people want to see, but also at a price point that more people can afford. There was an advertisement back in the 1920s that was released by Ford where they said the goal was to make the highways accessible to all mankind. And I kind of hope we go back to doing that, really allowing anyone, no matter how much money they make or where they're at, to be able to buy our products, enjoy our products, and enjoy the freedom that comes with having an automobile.
Okay, awesome. And for you, what do you think? I
think for me, a big thing is renewables. So I really like renewable energy. I'm a big fan of electric vehicles when they're low emissions. I think that's something that I really hope for in the future is just to rely more on renewable energies. And there's definitely been a big push for that in recent years, but I'm just hoping that we continue following that. I agree with him on the lines of making all of our cars available for anybody. I think that's a big portion of it too.
Awesome. I appreciate it so much. Thank you.